Welcome to our foundation channel. From class 7th mathematics, the chapter number 10 in this, we'll see the simple interest. Right? So in this chapter, first let me explain all the terms which are used in this chapter to solve the problems. Again, problems based on various types like problems based on simple interest and problems based on principal in simple interest to calculate the principal and to calculate the time. Same way to calculate the rate of interest. So according to the question, so various types are there. So let me explain you one by one. And those are watching first time, you can see the links in description below. You can find the material about the subject wise or chapter wise also you can find out in that. Right. First let us see the terms. What are the terms which are used in simple interest? The simple interest itself we can use capital S dot I, simple interest. Instead of writing every time simple interest, we'll use this SI word. Right. It is a extra money. Simple interest is nothing but some additional amount, which is extra money, which is lender gets from the borrower, right, in consideration of the sum used for the borrower. Next one, principal is the P. We'll denote with principal is P. It is a sum which the lender gives to the borrower. There's the P. Already terms you already studied in previous classes. Only the latest I'm explaining. R is rate of interest. R. So rate of interest. So the interest for fixed period for every rupees 100. So per annum. So rate of interest they'll give is in percentage. Like 10%, 20%, percent for every 100. Next T is the time period. So it's the time for which the sum is borrowed or lent. How much time is taken. This is in years, like 2 years, 3 years. If it is in days, you have to convert into years. If they give in months also, convert into the years. R is rate of interest per annum, T is the time period. Again, A, capitalize the amount. Amount is nothing but the total principal plus interest which is calculated. Simple interest or you'll write just capitalize interest. Amount is equals to principal plus interest. And we have the basic formulas, that is simple interest is equals to P into T into R by 100. This is a simple interest formula. We'll apply in the problems. Principal, time, period and rate of interest by 100. This to calculate the interest formula. Simple interest or interest. Right. So now based on this, SI is equals to PTR by 100, right? So I just take it as a I. Then or else nothing but interest. I is equals to PTR by 100. Okay, from this formula we can find out principal, time, rate of interest separately. So from this, if you want only the P value, 100 into I by 100 is left side. So 100 into I divided by TR. Then same way, from this you can take one more. Then T is equals to 100 into interest by PR. And R is equals to 100 into I interest. R is there, so remaining is PT. Okay, so this is the important formula, PTR by 100. From that, these three we can make. So let me show you the all the concepts how to from the question. What is I value? What is P, R, T, and amount? So these terms and which are used in the problems, I'll explain clearly with many examples. Let us see now.